come on.
Sitting in my room, thinking about all the crazy things we love to do. Just me and you. Can't help but smile, laugh a bit, 'cause I know you're sitting in.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this new video I'm going to show you how I take care of my skin before I go to bed. It's just the skincare tips, and maybe if you like you can try and give it a try, you know. So guys, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to be putting a lot of videos also about other things, trending topics, vlogs, any other thing. So stay connected with me by subscribing. And so in this video we're going to be having a lot of echo, because I'm in the bathroom preparing myself. Of course, everything is in the bathroom. Yeah, so just pardon me on any echo that. So we're going to be needing this. This is what I use. We're gonna be needing this mask. That's what I use every. Ta-da! Yeah, so I have applied. Don't mind my hair. I'm going to wash it tomorrow. So I'm going to apply aloe vera. So we're going to give it like 3 to 5 minutes so for it to dry, and then we wash our face. And yeah, I love it. It has aloe vera also. You know, aloe vera is very good for the skin and for the hair too. On my hair I apply aloe vera. My hair is so natural, very natural. I love it, but combing it is catastrophic. And for my skin, like I said, just watch what I do, and then if you like it, you can give it a. Come on. So guys, it's finally dry, and now we can wash my face. I can wash my face, not we. So now I can wash my face, and then for washing my face, I'm going to need this Dettol soap I bought in. And then we're gonna need I do wash it with lukewarm water, not cold. Okay, not too hot, not too cold, there in the middle. Normally you're supposed to wash your face with cold water so that you can stay young forever. That's what they always say, but I'm going to use lukewarm water. So guys, now I'm just going to do like this. You're not supposed to rub it, and we are done washing it. So then we go to the next step. So, because I love my face, you have to be gentle. I know you love yourself, face too, so you have to be gentle on your face. And then this is what I apply on my face. This is papaya oil. Guys, this thing is the bomb. Okay, not only by lightening the skin, it only lightens, not bleaches, lightens. Papaya seed oil has a lot of benefits to the skin, you know, not the papaya oil. This is the papaya seed oil. When you want to buy in Amazon, you have to check so that you don't buy the papaya oil, but you have to buy the papaya seed oil. It's written there, seed oil, yeah? Papaya seed oil. So when you want to buy, just go and buy it on Amazon. It will cost you like 23 euro. That's like 2,300 Kenya shillings. But if you want, you can also prepare it by yourself at home, and yeah, you'll love the results. So we are done and I'm ready to go to bed. And yeah, I love my skin. Don't forget your neck too. So guys, that's what I apply on my face every evening, yeah? So if you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't mind my hair. Like I said, tomorrow I'm going to wash it with aloe vera, the fresh aloe vera juice. So if you want to see the video, kindly comment on the comment section, then I'll do a video of it. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to turn the bell notification on so that you don't miss the other thing about